Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix Discord awaiting endpoint error. So for the first method, what we'll do is go to our voice channel here, and on the voice channel, you'll see a gear icon on the right side. Click on that button. So this opens up the channel edit window, and if you scroll down, you'll see an option that says region override. So by changing the region, we can fix this error. And after changing the region, we need to click save changes. So this is the first method. We can try to fix it. So for the second method, what we need to do is open up search and search for command prompt. Open up command prompt. And then you'll type in the following command. So here is the command: ipconfig space / flush DNS. So this has successfully flushed the DNS, and this should also work. If this doesn't work, then consider the method of uninstalling and reinstalling Discord, especially if you don't have the latest version. And if you have any VPNs online, turn them off as well. So this is how you fix Discord awaiting endpoint error. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.